This video will detail how to replace the actuator on your Shor-Line grooming table.
Replacing the actuator will require the following tools: a 7/16 socket wrench, a pair of pliers, a 5/32 Allen wrench, a 1/2-inch crescent wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing your Shor-Line grooming table's upright bar by turning the soft touch knob to the left and lowering the bar into its bottom position. Remove the upright bar's safety bolt. Then draw the bar up and out of the rotating arms tube lock. Turn the table over so it rests on the rear of the frame and the flat side of the surface top. Once the table is turned over, locate the plastic caps below the foot switch and pop them out. And use the resulting hole to access the bolt mounting the bottom jack of the actuator to the frame. Remove the bolt with a 5/32 Allen wrench and 1/2-inch crescent wrench. Unmount the lower jack, prying the bolt free if necessary. Next, use the same tools to remove the bolt mounting the upper jack to the frame. Draw the actuator's main unit out of the frame. If necessary, plug the unit back in and use the foot switch to lower the jack into a position that can be easily drawn out. Remove the cover to the actuator's foot switch by unfastening the 4 screws holding it in place. Place the new actuator in the frame and fasten down the new white plate. With an Allen's wrench, secure the new spring switch to the flat portion of the central bar connecting the foot switches on either side of the frame. Without fully tightening the bolts, place the springs underneath the foot switches plate. The internal components secure, put the foot switch's central panel back in place. Slide the lower portion of the actuator's jack onto the mount at the base of the frame. Align the opening of the jack's base with the hole of the mount. Insert the bolt and fasten it in place with your 1/2-inch crescent wrench and 5 32nd Allen wrench.
Plug the foot switch into the socket next to the electrical cord.
Next, hang the upper jack on its mount in the middle of the frame and, as with the lower jack, insert the bolt and fasten it in place with your crescent wrench and Allen's wrench. With the grooming table righted, reinsert the upright bar, dropping it down into its lowest position. Refasten the safety bolt with your 7/16 socket wrench and pliers. The lower safety bolt replaced, draw the upright bar into a position of your choice and fasten it there by turning the soft touch knob to the right. Thank you for purchasing your Shor-Line grooming table. Since 1927, Shor-Line has taken pride in its quality and customer service. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-444-1579.